Hello, my name is Kristen Joni, and today I would like to do a simple presentation on my PDCA. I am currently ongoing an internship at PIC Engineering Solution, and my industrial coach is Mr. Malik Kama Abbas. The project that I was working on is called PLC Training Kit. During my training, we discovered a key issue. There was no dedicated and portable setup for trainees to practice PLC wiring, programming, and troubleshooting. This made it difficult to train without interfering with live system in the workshop. So, the solution was to create a PLC training kit, a portable, safe, and well-organized board equipped with PLC terminals and other components for simulation and hands-on learning. Here's a breakdown on the task I carried out during the planning stage. I started with a wooden board as a foundation, as a base lah, a wooden board. Then I installed trunking for cable management, a DC converter for protection, and ELCB and MCB and terminal blocks. I also installed the Omron CP2E PLC, a contactor and a relay. Wiring was done by me, and also testing. Each task was complete between 10th and 13th of June. Next is the do phase. We built the first version of the training kit with the basic components. However, we noticed space and functionality limitations. Based on this, we decided to scale up. The upgrade version include the two PLC, Omron CP2E and Siemens Symmetric ET200 SP, with more relays, contactor, a 3-phase power supply, fused terminal block for analog I/O, and a MOXA Ethernet switch for network connectivity. All components were installed and wired based on a schematic drawing that was done by my senior, Mr. Shafiq. I know that we should try to do a small scale change, but we ended up with a huge change. As you can see in the picture, this was the first one and this was the final one that we made. It is much more bigger and with more component and safety. Okay, next. Now moving on to the check phase. After testing the improved version, we saw multiple benefits. First, the larger board allows better spacing and neatly wiring. All components function perfectly, including the network setup, which now allow multiple PLC to be programmed and monitored at once. Protection devices like MCB and ELCB and fuses ensure safe operation. This setup received positive feedback from the team and supervisor, especially on the organization and testing. Finally, in the act phase, we decided to adopt the improved training kit as a new standard for future training at the company. Some next steps including improving the labeling of components, preparing training documentation, and using this test kit in actual training session. We'll continue monitoring performance and collecting feedback for future upgrades. So in conclusion, the PDCA cycle helped me successfully identify a problem, plan a solution, test it, and implement a full upgrade. This final result is a functional, safe, and professional PLC training kit that support both Omron and Siemens system. This project not only improved hands-on training but also helped me apply my technical knowledge and problem-solving skills in a real-world settings. That is all from me. Thank you.